Hi guys, in this video we will see how to convert text into table in Microsoft Word. You can see this is the name and designation, and keep comma in between your name and designation. Don't keep a space in name and designation, and select all the text, and here press Alt plus N plus T plus V, and you can see convert text into table window will now open. So simply select the text and press Alt plus N plus T plus V. You can see in larger space Alt plus N plus T plus V. So first you will have to select all the text, but keep in mind don't keep a space in name and designation. So simply select all the text and press Alt N plus T plus V. Select it, press Alt N T V, and you can see convert text to table window will now open. Here go to separate text tag and select commas and click on OK, and you can see your selected text will now converted into a table name and designation. So you can easily change text into a table format by converting text into table in Microsoft Word.